Hey everyone, I am here with Brian, one of our teachers here at Tejas. If you have not come to one of his classes yet, I highly recommend it. He has a regularly scheduled class here on Tuesdays at 10:30. So Brian, tell us a little bit about what people can find when they come to your class.
In my classes, you can expect to find safety. I like to build postures from the ground up using direct cues to really help you get there, get the most out of your asana practice. Patience, time to explore everything going on in your body, tune in with your breath, and vitality. Just a good practice should leave you feeling rejuvenated and nourished throughout your body. And for all I know, you might find a life partner or even a dollar bill. Sometimes things just turn up.
Well, I mean, if that doesn't get you to register, I don't know what will. So check Brian's class out again Tuesdays at 10:30 a.m.